Peace TV, the solution for humanity.
Good evening. I have a question. It's about polygamy also. If Islam were to have a system like the Zakat, why can't they have another system similar to Zakat to overcome the overpopulation of female in the world? Thank you.
The brother asked a question that how does Islam have a system of Zakat to overcome the poverty and crime? Why doesn't it have a similar system for polygamy? That's what it has. In Zakat, what do? You share your wealth. Right or wrong? In polygamy, what do? The woman shares the husband. So alhamdulillah, you give a very good striking resemblance. I never thought of it before. You made me think. I learn from the question answer, therefore I love it. The more I answer the questions, the more my answers improve. Alhamdulillah. And many a times, Allah gives the answers on the stage, alhamdulillah. He gives the ilham. And more people ask me questions, the more my mind works. And alhamdulillah, I can add to my lecture next time. That Zakat is somewhat like polygamy, you can compare. Alhamdulillah, it has the solution, how it has for wealth. You share your wealth. Here, some women should share the husband, and that solves the problem. So that the modesty of the other woman is protected. Hope that answers the question.